Hello friends, day 67 and I've reached Fort William. A short walk down this morning from where I was camped, about 8 or 9 miles down into Fort William, and I got here in time to go to the cinema. There was an afternoon showing of The Salt Path and I've been wanting to see that ever since it was announced, and I did wonder whether I'd get to Fort William in time because this is about the first place I've been to with the cinema. Anyway, really good film, thoroughly recommend it, and it's a true story as well. Also, whilst I was in Fort William this afternoon, I went to Nevisports and they were really helpful. I needed some new trekking poles because the ones I'd got, the tips had completely worn out. I'll put a little video of those in a minute. I bought a couple of other odds and ends as well. The parcel from Ultralight Outdoor Gear hasn't actually arrived, so I'm hoping it'll be here first thing tomorrow morning. Otherwise, I might have to go to plan B. So from Fort William, I go up the Caledonian Canal for a bit and then into the wilderness. It's about 250 miles to go to John o' Groats, and as far as I can tell, there are just 2 pubs and 1 shop in 250 miles. So this is going to be interesting. I'm going to be carrying quite a lot of food. See you on the trail. It's someone else who likes a room with a view. Not a lot of wear left in the old ones, and the new ones next to them for comparison.